Be right with you on the phone. Please do not mute if you just called in. You were just admitted. Please do not mute your device. We're having trouble unmuting you. Give me just a moment. Okay, phone number ending in 3810. What's your name, please?
Naija Pearson.
Would you spell your first name, please?
Naija.
And then spell the last name.
Pearson.
Okay, Ms. Pearson, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. The attorney will be there to meet with you. There is a wait. Please don't hang up. Just wait for the attorney. All right, you're going to room 21. Okay, Ms. Peterson, go ahead and unmute, please. Calling ticket number P1865547, City versus Alexis Peterson Doherty. Good morning, ma'am. Please state your name for the record.
Alexis Rose Peterson Doherty.
Thank you. It looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. 2 other matters being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Is it true that on February 10th, 2026, in the area of Losser and West McNichols, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to do one of 2 things. Pay it in full. Not today. Don't try to pay anything today. Wait till tomorrow. Pay it in full within 60 days, or go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. If you need a longer term payment plan, give them the down payment to start the payment plan and your deal stays in place.
Okay. Can I ask one more
Sure.
question? Do I have any more tickets after this?
I don't know. Madam Clerk, do you have time to help Ms. Peterson Doherty with that, or can she call you after the docket?
Yeah, because online it only shows me a certain amount, but a couple of weeks ago when I first started all this, it said I had 8, but online it was only showing me 4. So I just want to make sure.
Sure, let's take a look. Try to get them all together. All right, Officer Corporal Rule, good morning. Going to place you in breakout room number 1 for city attorney. Then I have Ed Zelenak.
Good morning, Your Honor. Am I unmuted, I hope?
You are unmuted. Which case are you here on?
I'm here on Perez Moreno, and I'm finishing something right up in Wayne. Is it against the law to come in person if I come down there today?
It's not against the law. She did show proofs of everything, and I dismissed her tickets on that basis. She just left.
That would be.
I was unaware that you had retained counsel, so.
Oh, that would be on Harvest Moises Perez Moreno. Are you certain? No, that might be another one, Judge.
Okay, well, no, you can come down in person then. That's fine.
No, if you don't mind, but yeah, I'll come visit anyways. It would be in about an hour. Is that all right, Judge?
Probably still be on the record, yes.
All right, I will hustle. We're going to get rid of this really quickly here. Thank you for your
indulgence, Your
Honor. I'll see you then. I'll log off. See you then, Your Honor. Thank you. Bye.
All right, Ms. Peterson Doherty is still here. Dantrell Taylor, good morning. Did you speak with an attorney? Dantrell Taylor?
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Have you been in? Please, unless you're ill or disabled, you're going to need to sit up for court. Have you been in to see an attorney yet?
Last time I came in.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in a breakout room now. You're going to join the breakout room and wait to see the attorneys again. They're going to come see you. Just have to wait for them. You're going to room 22. Please go ahead and hit join. Where, this.
she owes $45 on an expired plate.
Okay,
No proof of insurance, she owes $240. On an improper plate, she pled guilty to, she has $65 left for that. And then whatever was today,
that was it.
she'll have, yes, that's all.
So that would be the 4, but she's saying she's something about 8. Okay,
That's 3 where she still owes, and then whatever she.
okay. Anything you're showing in default? Recent
Is-
default? Hold on, ma'am.
Okay.
The expired places from 2021, she's made partial payments on that.
Okay.
Insurance is from 2021.
Can we reduce that to 190?
It's a similar fraction.
Oh, I can't. Okay.
It's, and the late fees are already off.
Oh, the 240?
And the improper plates, it was 190, but she's made $125 payment.
I was talking about the no proof of insurance that's at 240.
Yeah, that's still right here.
Okay.
I mean,
All right. So we've checked, Ms. Peterson Dowdy.
Yes.
What Madam Clerk found that you have some tickets, they're not open anymore. You just owe money on them. So $45 on an expired plates ticket, $240 on a no proof of insurance ticket, and $65 left to pay on another improper plates ticket. We're not showing any other open matters for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I just have to pay the 190, and then what's next? I'm sorry. I'm asking a lot of questions.
That's okay. On this one, you owe 190. Within the next 60 days, you can pay it in full, or you can come get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor.
Okay, no, I'm fine with just paying it, and then I'll just have to pay the 45 to 65 and the 240, and I'll be clear of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Judge. Have a great one.
Welcome, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Attorney Hijazi, yes. Good morning.
Your Honor, we are ready to put this one on the record when you are.
Okay, officer is here, so let me bring the officer out. And is your client out here? Is your client here?
No, Your Honor, I'm going to request a waiver.
All right.
who is this client?
Thurmond. I'm trying to get Corporal Rule to come out. And then Attorney Ogletree, what are we doing on your matter?
And I did tell Corporal Wu to come out. I think he's here for 9:32. Okay, he's back. He's in here now.
All right, thank you. All right, ready on Thurmond. Calling ticket number P1823291, City versus Jamail Thurmond. Appearances, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Corporal Wu, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Good morning.
Corporal Rule Badge 3896 Detroit Police.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Morning.
Guys, we're on the record. Thank you. Good morning, but we're on the record. All right. All right. Do we have all the appearances?
Your Honor, Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Mr. Thurman. I would be requesting a waiver of his presence this morning. I have authority to act on his behalf.
All right, thank you. Waiver is granted. I've got an 11 to 15 over. What are we doing?
The people have offered blockading, and I believe that is what Defense Counsel would like to accept.
Yes, Your Honor, I have full authority to move forward with that offer.
Okay, your admission to blockading is accepted, $175, 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor. There was a bond paid in this case. If we could apply that bond, and if there's any remaining balance, my client will pay it.
Can you do that? Can we as a cashier have to do that?
Yeah, I can put for them to apply it.
Okay, we'll make a note for them to apply the bond to the amount owed, okay?
Thank you, Ms. Warren. Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor.
Yep. Thank you, Judge.
Everybody
Thank you,
have a good
Corporal.
day.
Okay, Corporal, we can go
All
back
right.
go back in the room 1.
And then Attorney Barrett, good
Okay.
morning, getting you post now. Good morning. Okay. I've got Cache
Judge.
Poindexter. Good morning. Hey,
Oh,
good
Good
morning.
morning.
Let me just, give me just a second to get these folks into breakout rooms so that I can help you, Attorney Barrett, or get with you. Cache Poindexter, you're gonna go to room 23. Please hit join. There is a wait. Use the time to gather documents like registration and insurance. If you know you need to show them, you're going to the breakout rooms. Ms. Thelma Parker, you're gonna go to room 24. Please hit join. Corporal Rule, I know you can go back to room 1, she said. I can move you to 2 and then back to 1 if you need me to help you. Corporal Rule, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Horn was saying she would meet you back in room 1 again. I moved you to 2 so that I can help you move. If you want to join, then I'll move you back to room 1.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry. I was out of the car.
That's okay. Arande Prince, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So I'm going to put you in a breakout room to speak with an attorney. Please note there is a brief wait this morning. Please use the time to gather documents if you have them and need to show them for your cases like registration, insurance, fix something on the car, etc. You're going to room 25. Please hit join. I'm moving him to room 1. Okay. All right. Okay, Attorney Barrett, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I have some, but I don't know if they have the name over there. The other ones, the ones that I think are early are Megan Hensley.
One moment. Madam Clerk, I'm bringing a couple folks out where they're ready. And then also they need an SOS on Drake Taylor. Okay, who are your folks again, Ms. Barrett? Attorney Barrett, I need you to unmute.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, Megan Hensley,
I don't have a Hensley.
Miguel Tarton.
Okay, but I also wouldn't have an H on my docket.
Oh, I had your name listed on this.
Then are you saying Tarleton?
Yes.
I don't have that person here.
Okay, I have some at 9:15. You probably want to wait on that.
Okay, that's fine. Already on Juanita Torres. When you're ready, Madam Clerk.
Drake is valid. Take.
Thank you. Okay, whenever you have the Torres file. Juanita Torres. Calling ticket number SP 182-62871, City versus Juanita Torres. Ms. Torres, good morning.
Good morning.
You are charged with allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty under a 3-month delayed sentence to that charge. Is that correct? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Thank you. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on November the 6th of 2025 in the area of West Verner Highway and Dragoon Street, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you. You have 90 days to pay $190. As long as you get that paid in the 90 days and you don't pick up any similar tickets, then this we'll pull it up and get rid of it in 90 days. If you need to come back because you don't get it fully paid or you pick up a similar ticket, the date to come back would be June the 29th, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day. Thank you. All right, looks like we're ready on Danielle Taylor, Madam Clerk, and then we're going to be ready on Miguel Torres as well. Thank you. Calling ticket P1864767, City versus Danielle Taylor. Counsel, appearance, please. You're muted, Attorney Ogletree.
Sorry, Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Danielle Taylor.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Danielle Taylor.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, you are charged with interference with a city employee in performance of their duties. I understand you'll be pleading guilty under a 3-month delayed sentence. All that correct?
Correct.
Anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I do.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Oh,
Just need you to swear to tell the truth, please, Ms. Taylor.
Oh, yes, I swear to tell the truth.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 12th of 2026 in the area of Marlow and Plymouth that you interfered with the city employee who was attempting to perform their duties?
Yes, ma'am. I walked over to the curve and I didn't know that.
Just
Oh,
answer the
yes,
question
yes,
that the
yes,
judge asked.
yes. I got you. Yes.
Your fine is $190. You have 90 days to get it paid. Counselor, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied.
190, 90 days. If you need to come back and see me in 90 days because you get another ticket like this or you don't get it paid off, you can come back and see me June 29th at 8:30 in the morning, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a
Thank you.
great day. Thank you. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1867792, City versus Miguel Torres. Mr. Torres, good morning again. Please unmute.
Good morning.
Mr. Torres, your sole charge here is improper plates. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid registration and made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis. I'm going to grant that motion this time. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Moses Taylor, good morning. I'm going to get you into a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait for the attorneys this morning. Please use the time to gather proof of registration, insurance, things that you've gotten fixed on the vehicle, things like that, if they apply to your case. You're going to room 25. I will see you shortly. Please hit join.
You can check it off speaker too.
Good morning. Please be aware your device is not muted. Phone number ending in 9737. Phone number ending in 9737. Please give me a name.
Raymond Thomas.
Raymond Thomas, thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to see an attorney. There is a wait for the attorney. Please just be patient. Does not help you to ask for help or raise your hand because it just stops court out here. If you need to leave because of an emergency, just come back out here and let me know. You're going to room 26. All right, Mr. Prince, you're back.
I was making sure I was in the right room.
Are you already in a breakout room?
You had me in 25. I was making sure I was in the right courtroom.
You're in the right room, sir. There's a wait. Okay, there's a wait. You just have to wait. Doesn't help to be on two devices. Just wait. They're coming. Danielle Taylor, you're all done. Have a great day. Sir, aren't you already in room 25 on another device, Mr. Prince?
No, I don't. No, I'm on the same device. I had left and then I came back because I didn't know I was in the right courtroom.
Well, unfortunately, while you were gone, someone else got put in room 25 and now you're going to 27. Please don't disconnect your device. It just makes you go to the end of the line. I don't have that empty room to put you in anymore. Please join room 27. Good morning, Attorney Jeans. Your client is here.
Your Honor.
Good morning. Your client is in room 19. You might want to jump there and rename him because I didn't know he had retained counsel, but he's at 19 just to let everybody know. And then you have co-host city attorney will meet you in room 2.
Room 2, okay. Would you like me to
I'll
rename my
go ahead
client
and
first
rename.
before I go to room 2?
I'm sorry?
Would you like me to rename my client before I talk to the prosecutor?
No, I'll go ahead and I'll just take care of I'll just put retained on the room so they know. They'll skip him. Okay?
I
He's in room
appreciate you,
19.
Your Honor.
Sure thing. Someone in the waiting room? I don't see anybody, do you? All right. Khalil Perkins, please unmute. Khalil Perkins, please unmute. Calling ticket number P1869834, City versus Khalil Perkins. Khalil Perkins, please state your name for the record.
Khalil Perkins.
Thank you. Also calling ticket P1869813, City versus Khalil Perkins. All right, Mr. Perkins, it appears that you will be pleading guilty to one count of the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. Then your 16 to 20 over is turning into a 1 to 5 over limited access. Okay, so that's 0 points. Please slow down if you were speeding, because this, you got a good deal. This is a 0 point ticket now. Could have been 4 points on your license in one doing. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yeah.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Please speak up. The court reporter is trying to take a record. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Can you say it again? You broke
All
up.
right, listen, everybody, we're in court now, and I'm taking pleas, and I've asked you to activate your cameras. I understand that Zoom court allows us to do other things, but when it's time to handle your business, it's time to handle your business. Thank you. Mr. Perkins, did
Yeah.
anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
No.
Did counsel advise you of that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yeah.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything is true.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 19th of 2026 in the area of West Outer Drive and Sussex Street, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. And then you are admitting to going at least 1 to 5 miles per hour over the posted speed limit being entered as a limited access ticket today. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. On the failure to display, your fine is $190. On the 1 to 5 over limited access, it's $125. Within the next 60 days, starting tomorrow, you may pay these in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse within the next 60 days and give them a down payment on a payment plan. As long as you do that, this deal stays in place, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Oh, you too.
Calling ticket number P1865671, City versus Javon Filson. Mr. Filson, please state your name for the record.
Jovan Filson.
Thank you. I understand that this is going to be a dismissal because this was not your vehicle. Court will go ahead and dismiss it on attorney's motion now, giving the explanation that the register and title belong to another person. All right, this ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mhm. Oh, Mia Perez. That is a different person. P.O. Hope to Officer Hope. Good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Yes, good morning. I have I'm sorry, I was supposed to put Perry C.
I'm sorry. That's okay. I can do it. Just tell me who it is.
Last name is Perry. First name starts with a C.
Thank you. C like cat?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Good morning. This morning, going to get you to room 1 so you can meet with city attorney.
Thank you and good morning.
All right, then we have Mia Perez. Good morning.
Good morning.
He's got retained counsel.
Attorney Barry.
Attorney Barry?
Barry.
Oh, that's interesting because we have another attorney who zoomed in for her. Ms. Perez, do you have retained counsel?
I'm not sure really. They haven't told me anything about that.
It was a different Perez. Perez hyphen Marino. This is the return.
Oh, okay. This is a different Perez.
Yeah.
And this is Attorney Barrett.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Attorney Barrett, here's one of your clients here. Okay, Ms. Perez, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with your attorney. I'm going to put you in room 4. Please hit join. Drake Taylor. What's Drake Taylor have? I guess they're going to work on that one because his SOS is valid, so they'll need to work on that. Okay, we have Rainisha Pinnell who is ready. And then you got the SOS on Thrasher. Thank you. Luana Pruitt or Luan Pruitt. Improper place, no insurance, no registration. He has all his documents, yes. All right, ready on Rainisha Pinnell. Okay. Thank you. Attorney Barrett, one of your clients just arrived. She is in room 4.
Thank you.
Rainisha Pinnell, ticket number P1861257. City versus Rainisha Pinnell. Please unmute, ma'am. State your name for the record.
Rainisha Pinnell.
Thank you. Your charges were for no insurance. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance at this time and made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Good job getting that done. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Luan Pruitt, when you're ready. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Mr. Pruitt, calling tickets number P1871246, City versus Luan Pruitt. Mr. Pruitt, please state your name for the record.
Luan Pruitt.
Thank you, Mr. Pruitt. You were charged with improper plates, no insurance, and no registration. Defense counsel has reviewed all of your valid documentation as to those charges and made a motion to dismiss your tickets, which I am happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Bye-bye. Diamond Polk. I have Diamond Polk. Madam Clerk, does she have retained counsel? Ms. Polk, good morning. Diamond Polk. Just here for pre-trial.
Trial.
Okay, thank you. Diamond Polk, I need you to speak up so I know that you can hear me. Diamond Polk. All right, so move to room 6 for right now. You need to join the breakout room, Diamond Polk. All right, let's make a note that they were here because this is not working. Can you tell if they're connected to audio, Madam Clerk?
Yeah, the microphone is unmuted.
Diamond Polk. All right, I've got somebody on a Motorola Razr. Unmute, I need a name, please. Unmute and give me a name or I'll have to remove you. Hi, unmute, please. I sent you a prompt to unmute. You need to unmute. On the iPhone, please unmute and give me a name or you will be removed from the session.
Tamara Tatum.
Thank you. Spell the first name for me, please.
Tamira.
Tamia.
Tamira.
IRA. Okay, thank you. And then what was the last name?
Tatum.
Tatum?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Tatum scheduled for trial. Let's see.
Pre-trial,
9 a.m. pre-trial. Thank you.
Sure.
All right, there you go, sir. What's your name, please?
One Stephen Thomas.
Ron?
No, one Stephen. That's ONESTEVEN.
Thank you. Thomas is the last name?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Ms. Tatum and Mr. Thomas, you're both going to be placed in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait for the attorneys. Please use the time to gather documents if you need to. If you know that your case involves registration, insurance, etc., or you got something fixed on the car and you have proof of that, gather those things while you wait. Ms. Tatum, you're going to room 28. Mr. Thomas, you're going to room 29. Please hit join.
Okay.
Raymond Thomas is here for trial.
One Raymond Thomas.
No, you have officer appeared.
Formal hearing.
Okay. Let's see, Ms. Barrett, she needs offers on Mia Perez and Moses Taylor. I'm trying to see where they are.
Should be on 115.
Okay, and then Moses Taylor offer is 6-month delay. We'll bring her out and let her know. Officer Person, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Officer Person, good morning. I need you to unmute, please, and let me know which case you're here on. I will have to remove you. I don't know who that is. Do you?
Hey, good morning, ma'am. I'm here on Perry.
First initial?
C.
Thank you. All right, you're going to go to room 1 to meet with city attorney. I'm moving you there now.
No, thank you.
I have Courtney Elliott, Diamond Polk. I don't know what that means. Please unmute. Good morning. Whoever is Courtney Elliott, I assume that's you on the device. I need you to speak up, please. I don't know who this is.
It may be Diamond on a different device, but they're still not responding.
Officer Bush, good morning. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1, meet with city attorney.
Good morning. Thank you.
Attorney Carpenter, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
I've got some officers here on Clarence Perry, but I do not remember checking him in.
Okay.
And Frederick Turner. Let's see if I've got anything for you there. What's Frederick Turner scheduled for?
Trial today.
Okay. Yep. Well, let's see. I don't know if I have officers here on that one yet. No, but I do have 2 on Clarence Perry. Yep. Okay, so you have co-host and you can go ahead to room 2 to see city attorney if you want.
Okay, just to make sure, you said none were on Frederick yet?
I don't have either of them signed in yet.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Uh-huh. I need you to unmute whoever's on this device that says Courtney Elliott Diamond Polk. You need to unmute. Speak up, please, so I know that you can hear me. Try adjusting the volume, please. Try turning your volume up or down on your device. What's Diamond Polk scheduled for? Trial, that's what I thought. And did we have an trial? All right, I've got Diamond Polk. If you're not able to connect, you should start making your way to the courthouse right now because you are scheduled for trial today and there are officers here. So if this is not going to work remotely, you're going to need to get here, please. Attorney Barrett, I just wanted to make sure that you knew what your offer was on Moses Taylor, and that is to dismiss the no insurance 6-month delay on the false info.
Hold on one second. What room is he in? 6-month delay.
He looks like he was in room with you and your other client from what I could see, because that caught my attention. Yeah, he's supposed to be in room 4.
You said Moses was dismissed?
No. Moses Taylor is your client.
Right.
In room 4.
Okay, I didn't see him. Okay, go ahead.
The offer is to dismiss the no insurance.
Right.
And a 6-month delay on the false info.
Do you have a one for Perez? An offer for her?
There's no offer for Ms. Perez. They want an SOS on her first, so we'll run that SOS for you.
Okay, thank you.
License is valid on Perez, so but I think that's not what she wants to know, Madam Clerk. I think she wants to know what her record is like given the charges. So Ms. Horn wants to see the SOS on that one. Okay, thank you. All right, Deasia Taylor Hatchett, good morning.
Good morning.
Do you know if she has assigned her counsel?
No, but she's here for trial.
Yep, saw that. Officers here.
I was trying to see if I could just take the tickets or I gotta go to trial. Cause I ain't never do this before. I don't even know.
No, so
I
hold
never
on.
even been to
No,
court.
stop. No, the short answer is no. You don't have to go to trial. Yes, you can plead guilty to everything and pay all of this money, which is not what's going to happen today. So just give us a minute. Do you have any of the things like registration? Have you updated registration at all?
Yeah, I got registration.
Good. What about insurance?
Yeah, I still got the same insurance.
So you have insurance, you have registration. Can we run an SOS, please? Are you serious?
Yes. So I don't want you to run them all together.
And their first names are almost exactly the same.
Yes.
Masia and Deja, and she's mistaken them for the same people. Hey, your device is not muted. I should not be hearing that in the courtroom. Mute your device.
These are 2 charges, Miss Deja.
I'm looking at her right now. Okay. What's the defective equipment on?
That's that weird one that we haven't figured out that state troopers are writing.
He's here, isn't he?
No.
That's a trooper ticket?
Yeah.
And she's here for trial as well. Justin Cope. That's a state trooper. Okay. Right. Yeah. He was scheduled for 9:30. Okay. Ms. Taylor, I'm going to Taylor Hatchett. Please unmute.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room. The officer who wrote your ticket has not appeared yet. I'm telling you this because you have another person on today's docket with almost the exact same name. Do you have a sister? I've got a Masia Taylor Hatchett.
No.
Okay, so you are Deasia, but I also have a Masia.
Oh, that's my cousin.
Oh, that's your cousin. Okay, well, your cousin has court today too, and her officers are here. So your officers are not. That's going to be a little bit confusing for the defense attorneys when they come to see you guys. So just make sure they know. Judge told you your officer is not here, but you're going to wait about 30 minutes to see if they show up. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're going to room 6.
Okay.
All right. I've got Zoom user. I need you to unmute and give me a name, please. Zoom user.
Frederick Turner.
Say the first name again, please.
Frederick Turner.
Frankfurt?
Frederick.
Frederick, thank you. All right, your attorney is here. Mr. Turner, I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with your attorney. You're going to room 8. Please hit join.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Cynthia Parker. What she got? Let's get an offer. Hey, Attorney Taylor.
Hey, how you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, so good. I have Nicole Price.
Yep, she's in room 3. We don't have probation here yet, but she's in room 3. Have you gotten the pre-sentencing report?
I did not get it. Is it one come?
I emailed it. Is your email still Garner One Law?
Okay, I hadn't checked. I just got off the record. Okay, what room is she in?
Room 3.
Okay, all right.
Corporal Whitehead, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Stacy Perkins.
You said first name is Stacy?
Yes, last name is Perkins.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get you in room 1 to meet with city attorney.
Okay. Also, I'm gonna be in the 336 as well, Your Honor.
Okay, well, please try to catch a city attorney when you can.
Okay, I'm about to go to breakout room now.
Thank you. On Cynthia Parker, do we have an officer here?
Officer Bennett hasn't here yet.
Okay, he probably will. Give us some time. Good morning, sir, on the iPhone. Good morning. What's your name, please?
Miguel Tarleton.
Spell your last name for me.
Excuse me.
Spell the last name, please.
Tarleton.
Thank you. Someone asked me about a Tarleton.
I want to say Attorney Barrett, but I didn't exactly understand.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Trying to see because I thought that an attorney checked in with your name.
No, she probably tried to call me, but I no longer have that number.
Had you spoken to someone though?
No.
Okay.
They ain't called me since, no.
Okay, no problem. Let's just see.
You didn't say that though.
Hey, you're not muted. Please be careful. All right. What time is Mr. Tarleton scheduled for?
9:30.
9:30 trial.
Thank you. Maybe it was an officer. Nope. All right, Mr. Tarleton, I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room. Hey, Ms.
Hey, good
Horn.
morning, Your Honor. And you know what? We just got the House Counsel schedule at 8:20. I just noticed this morning. That's why you guys don't have it. Let me,
We're doing pretty good, but they do have some that they need some offers on. They've made notes on the rooms or they're looking for offers from you because something has changed or updated. Mr.
Okay.
Charlton, go ahead and go to the breakout room, please. Where did I put you? I'm gonna send you to room 10. Go to room 10, Mr. Charlton. On the Samsung, please unmute and give me a name. On the Samsung, I need you to unmute and give me a name, please, or I'll have to remove you from the session.
Hi, this is Courtney Elliott, Diamond Polk's mom. Can you hear me?
I can, thank you.
Oh gosh. Okay. So we live like 2 hours away, so it was impossible to just drive there.
Okay. Good. All right. I had an officer second on this case. Diamond Polk, she's got trial. Okay, we don't have an officer checked in on this yet, but they've got 30 minutes from the time scheduled to get here. So you're gonna go into a breakout room and we'll pull you back out at around 10.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes,
this is Taylor. Do we need to wait till the probation before she gets sentenced?
no, no.
Okay. Are we ready?
Okay, Diamond Polk going to room 11, please hit join. Oh, we need to make sure that she understands too, that these are different people because Ms. Horn thought they were the same people too. Let me just get Corporal Bennett put in a breakout room and then where's your client, Attorney Taylor? Room 4?
Yes.
She's in room 3.
I didn't see her camera though. I don't know if she can turn her camera.
I don't know. You may have to go in there and tell her to come on out. Corporal Bennett, which case are you here on, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. S. Parker.
Thank you. All
Yes, ma'am.
right, you're going to room 1 to meet with city attorney. Ms. Price, your attorney just went to go get you. He'll be right back out. Room 1, Corporal Bennett.
Okay.
All right, Attorney Taylor, we're ready.
Okay. I know she wasn't in there.
No, she came back out. She's with us. Ms. Price, do you have the ability to activate your camera? I'm going to send you a prompt. Calling ticket number Z8098851, City versus Nicole Price. Counsel.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Nicole Price. Ms. Price, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Nicole Price.
Thank you. All right, looks like this is the date and time set for sentencing on an OWI. Attorney Taylor, have you had a chance to review the pre-sentence report with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Are there any corrections, additions, or deletions?
No, Your Honor, and I'm sure this is just a bip in the screen. She doesn't seem like she had much of a problem, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. One moment, please. Right. So recommendations from the probation department are to attend and complete an outpatient substance abuse treatment program, attend and complete a mental health evaluation and comply with recommendations, no alcohol, no marijuana, no illicit substances, random urinalysis twice a month at an outside agency, attend and complete an alcohol highway safety course, attend and complete the MAD victim impact panel, view the short film consequences, pay the $100 assessment fee, the $15 urinalysis fee, and all other assessed fines and fees over a period of 18 months of probation. Any objections to any of those terms?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ms. Price, is there anything you would like me to know before I impose sentence?
No, I know, I understand what you just said.
All right. Ms. Price, please take care of yourself. All right.
Okay,
You'll be seeing me again over the course of your probation. I've looked at your history. I'm glad you're out here with us. I need you to be safe, take care of yourself, and take care of the rest of us. All right.
okay,
All right. I'm going to impose the sentence of 18 months probation with the following the recommendations of the probation department so that you have to complete those requirements. And then I'm imposing a $190 fine on your ticket. Okay.
okay.
All right. You have a good day.
You too, and thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney Taylor. Ms. Price, they'll be in touch.
Okay.
All right.
Is that?
Yeah, following recommendations, 190. All right, Cachet Poindexter, I know that you were here earlier. Did you get disconnected?
Yes, I did.
All right, and had you met with an attorney yet?
Yes, but they were supposed to come back into the breakout room.
Do you remember which room you were in?
23, I believe.
Can you run? I think we had an SOS on this, but we've lost it. You said you were in 23?
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, SOS valid. Never mind, Madam Clerk. All right. Okay, Ms. Poindexter, I'm going to go ahead and get you back into 23.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join for me, please. Gary Posey, good morning. Please unmute. Gary Posey, please
Yes.
unmute. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
What time are you scheduled for, Mr. Posey?
It was 8:30. I'm at work, so I kind of like slipped my mind.
I'm just trying to find you on the docket.
Okay.
But I actually don't have you on at 8:30. Let's see about 8:35. Yep, you're on at 8:35. Can we run an SOS on Mr. Posey, please, Madam Clerk? Stand by, Mr. Posey.
Yep.
Attorney Barrett?
Yes, my client wants a bench trial date. What's your bench trial date?
Bench trial date is April the 20th at 9:30.
April the 20th, same Zoom, correct?
Which one is this? Moses Taylor or Mia Perez?
Moses Taylor,
Okay, yep, same Zoom.
9:30. Okay, thank you. I'll release him.
Okay. Can you make that note, please? Moses Taylor, 9. Thank you. Just let me know when you get back on Mr. Posey. right, Mr. Posey, I gotta put you in to see an attorney before I can hear your matter.
Okay.
They do have an offer on your file, so they're offering to turn the revoked into what's called a failure to display and dismiss your other license ticket. So the attorney will talk with you about that. I'm going to put you into a breakout room. Please go ahead and join now, room 29. There's a little bit of a wait,
Okay.
but hopefully not too long. They're making their way to you, room 29.
Yeah.
What are we doing on Frederick Turner? Do we have an offer on Frederick Turner?
Oh, she makes up.
All right, Attorney Carpenter, did you get a chance to speak with Ms. Horn?
Not yet. I think you put me in the breakout room with my client, so I never got the opportunity yet.
Okay, she is in room 9 right now. If I were you,
Okay.
I'd probably jump into room 9 because she's in there with House Counsel, see if you can get an offer on Turner.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right. All right. Tamira Tatum. Tamira Tatum. You see Tamira Tatum? There she is. Could you run an SOS on Tamira Tatum, please, when you have a moment? Thank you. Let me know what you find. Hey. Right, Camilla Barkovich.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Are you an officer, an attorney?
I'm an attorney. I'm here on Gary Taylor.
You said Gary Taylor?
That's correct, yes.
I think Mr. Taylor is here. I'm giving you co-host now.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and move you. Let's see, let me make sure. Nope, so I don't know if you're expecting your client, not here. I'm gonna go ahead and get you into room 2 so you can speak with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Tatum is.
Thank you. Okay, we're ready on DeMarco Parks next. Thank you. We're going to be ready on Angel Thomas as well. Whew, okay. Need them to send their folks out because they're not coming out. All right, good morning, Angel Thomas.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, I am calling tickets numbered at P1868612, P852717, and all other related matters on today's docket 2 City versus Angel Thomas. Ms. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Angel Thomas.
Thank you. All right, we've got a couple of tickets here. I've got a driving, no insurance, which is being dismissed pursuant to the plea. Then I have that you are admitting to going 1 to 5 over limited access. That's a reduction on that following too closely causing an accident. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. And then I've got this ticket 717, which they have not told me anything about. Madam Clerk, would you check this, please? Just a minute, Ms. Thomas, and then Mr. Parks, I'll be with you. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just a couple of matters. I have Angel Thomas with me, who I know you and Attorney Jenkins just discussed. Her insurance is being dismissed. The following too closely is going to a 1 to 5 over limited access. And then I've got, do we have an SOS on her? Can I get an SOS, please? Thank you. Then I have a ticket ending in 717, which is a driving while unlicensed, which doesn't seem to be addressed. And we can run the SOS on that one.
Okay, and Your Honor, I'm just looking for a name on the docket sheet. Let's see.
She's scheduled for the 26th.
Oh, that's right. She was here Thursday. Okay, I got it. Yep.
It looks like you were offering to amend that at one time to a failure to display, but I need to know. The license is valid now, so you want to
Yes,
dismiss
we
it?
can dismiss that one.
All right, thank you.
Okay, and Your Honor, if I can have here it is. See, co-host. Yeah, I'm showing I can only get in the room 9.
Oh, really?
It says you've been assigned to
Sorry.
breakout room 9. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, so Ms. Thomas, you're just going to be admitting to the 1 to 5 over limited access. Everything else is being dismissed today. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you are admitting then that you were, it'd be an admission that you were either following too closely or going at least 1 to 5 over the posted speed limit on February 17th, 2026 at 7 Mile and Lindsay. You're admitting to that?
Yes.
$125, 60 days. Within the 60 days, get it paid or give the cashiers on the first floor down payment for a payment plan. As long as you do one of those two things, don't try to do anything today. Starting tomorrow, as long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains in place. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too.
Phone number ending in 2784. I need a name, please. Phone number ending in 2784. I need a name.
Rondell Thrasher.
Is Mr. Thrasher scheduled for trial? Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Thrasher. And then I have Aaron Thomas. Good morning. You're both going to be placed in breakout rooms to see an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. If you know that you need to gather certain documents like registration and insurance to show to the attorney, please use the time to do that now. Mr. Thrasher, you are going to room 30. Aaron Thomas, you should join room 31. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you. Room 31, please hit join. What time was Aaron Thomas scheduled for? Don't go, Mr. Oh, great. Let's get him back. All right. DeMarco Parks, good morning, sir. Calling ticket numbers P1698535 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus DeMarco Parks. Mr. Parks, please state your name for the record.
DeMarco Parks. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of failure to display a valid license and a 3-month delayed sentence on, let's see what that's going to be on. One moment. Looks like your 3-month delay is on the consuming marijuana or the improper transport. Doesn't really matter which one because the other things are being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I
I
swear.
just need you to verbally answer, please. I need you to swear to tell the truth, please, Mr. Parks.
Oh, I said I swear. I'm sorry, you didn't hear me.
I did not hear you, which means the court reporter can't hear you, so I need you to speak up, okay? All right, you can put your hand down. Is it true, sir, that on November 5th of 2025 in the area of Florence and Ardmore, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you were improperly transporting a unallowable portion of usable marijuana at the time?
They believe I was just smoking. I was consuming
Okay.
marijuana.
That works too. Okay, thank you, because you are also charged with consuming marijuana, so we'll enter that one. And then is it also true that on March 22nd of 2025 in the area of Mansfield and Kramer that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, your pleas are accepted. All of your other matters are dismissed. It's 9 other matters. One moment, please. All right, I'm getting ready to give you your fines. All right, on your first ticket, the failure to display is $190. And the consuming marijuana also $190. I'm sorry, I can reduce that one to $100 since it's on the same ticket. So $190 and $100. And then on your other failure to display, that's on a different ticket. So then that one has to go back up to $190. So you have 2 fines of $190, 1 fine of $100.
$500.
Okay, if that's what you say, I wasn't doing math that fast, but
$480.
plus 100. Okay. You've got 90 days since you're on a 90-day delay. Within the 90 days, you can do one of two. Well, on your 3-month delayed sentence, you got to get that one paid off in the 90 days. On the other 2, the failure to display a valid license, if you want to get on a longer term payment plan with the cashiers, you can do that. You just need to make sure you give them a down payment on those within the 90 days.
Okay.
And then the deal stays in place. Okay.
Greatly appreciate it.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks. Okay. Does she know that she has these attorneys waiting for her in room 2? And what is Reese Carpenter doing? On Thrasher, what charges there? registration, insurance, license. All right, I've got Drake Taylor when you're ready. Attorney Carpenter, are you ready on Frederick Turner?
I'm not. The prosecutor is still speaking to the officer on that case.
All right, I'll just go ahead and you have co-host, right?
I do, yes.
Okay, you can go ahead back to room 2 to wait for her then now, since that's where she'll come to meet with all of the attorneys.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, whenever you have the Drake Taylor file, I'm ready on that one. Yep, you're right. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1470904 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Drake Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Drake Taylor.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates on a no proof of insurance. That's a reduction. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Correct.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
It is.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on August 1st of 2023, in the area of West Warren and Rutland, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid in full starting tomorrow, or you can start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you give them the down payment on the payment plan within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. And for the record, quite a few other matters today were dismissed pursuant to your plea. All right?
Okay, thank you. So do I have to just go down there and show them my ID, or?
You can do
No.
one of two things. You can go through the court's website. Don't try to pay anything before tomorrow. You use your name on the court's website, or you can come see the cashiers on the first floor.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. I've got Cache Poindexter. Just give me one moment to get an officer checked in.
Okay.
All right. Corporal Spidell, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for T. Parker.
Thank you. Corporal Spidell, placing you in room 1 to meet with the city attorney. All right, Cache Poindexter, calling ticket number 215511 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Cache Poindexter. Ms. Poindexter, please state your name for the record.
Cache Poindexter.
Thank you. Looks like you are going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates today, all other matters being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Is it true that and for the record, this is coming from ticket P1139808. Ma'am, is it true that on November 27th of 2020, in the area of 8 Mile and Cherry Lawn in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You've asked for a payment plan, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 90 days. Within that 90 days, if you discover you need more time to pay, you can come see the cashiers on the first floor. Give them a down payment for a longer term payment plan. As long as you do one of those two things within 90 days, this deal remains in place. And for the record, you are having a number of matters dismissed pursuant to the plea, so you do want to make sure it stays in place, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, have a great day.
Okay, you too as well. Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye. I'm trying to bring her out.
Did you get a sickness?
Yes.
Okay.
Where's Taylor? Where? I want to bring, no, they're not here. They're not here.
Sharif, S-H-A-R-I-F.
Anybody else here for trial with no officer?
Yeah, I put them up there. I'm checking.
Carlton, see, we're gonna check with Miss Horn about Carlton. Who's the officer? Ms. Horn, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Point of confusion that you had as well. Took us a minute to figure it out. On Taylor Hatchett. For trial on the last page, Taylor Hatchett.
Okay, yep.
We have Deasia Taylor Hatchett and Maasia Taylor Hatchett.
Oh.
They are cousins. They are cousins. There are no officers here on Deasia.
Got it.
Okay. Second thing is on Miguel Tarleton. We've got a no officer on that one right now.
Yep.
Anything different there?
I haven't spoken to Howells. Officer Howells, I believe, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank
Clarence,
you for that distinction. I was like,
yeah.
wait.
Yeah, I saw you had changed the room name, so I was like, different defendant.
Okay.
So I'll bring Deasia Taylor Hatchett out as well as Attorney Barrett with Miguel Tarleton. We don't have officers on those two.
Okay, thank you. And I think I was just checking for one more. Oh,
they're asking about an officer on the Polk matter.
and yeah, that Sharif Moons Sharif. Not
Yeah,
I haven't. Yep, I haven't talked to that officer.
Okay, I'll take that file as well.
And Madam Clerk, I need an SOS on. I was just speaking to the officers on that. Let's see. Sorry.
Is it Mia Perez?
I just give me 1 second. I was just talking to
Mr. Perry, good morning. How are you today? Please unmute. Mr. Perry, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court? Mr.
And I need
Perry,
an SOS on him. Yep.
On Clarence Perry?
Yeah, that's the one I was thinking.
Okay.
Attorney, Carpenter State.
All right.
Perry.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm gonna get you into a breakout room.
Okay.
Is here. There are officers here. You're scheduled for trial. I'm going to go ahead and place you in room number 5, room 5. Please hit join.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Attorney Jenkins.
Hi, do we have officers for Diamond Polk and Arande Prince?
I don't have them on Polk. I don't have them on Tarleton or Taylor Hatchet. I'm getting ready to do those.
Carlton.
I don't know about Arande Prince. Give me just a moment to check that.
Thank you.
Attorney Barrett, on Miguel Tarleton, we have no officer. If you want to go ahead and bring him out, I think that was your client.
Yeah, I was trying to unmute and disconnected myself, so I'm
All
sorry.
right, I'll give you co-host. If you want to bring him on out, bring him out. We'll do that dismissal. On
Okay.
Diamond Polk, good morning. I have ticket number P1864295, City versus Diamond Polk. Ms. Polk, state your name for the record, please. Ms.
What are your
Polk,
name?
please state your.
Oh, Diamond Kaylee Polk.
Thank you. The officer who was subpoenaed for trial in your matter today has failed to appear and failed to communicate with the court or the city attorney as to the reason for their non-appearance. For that reason, your case is being dismissed at this time. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, bye-bye. All right, and you're looking for the officer on Arande Prince.
Yes, please.
Neither has appeared on Arande Prince, so if you want to bring them out, feel free to go ahead and do that.
Thank you.
All right, I've got Tamira Tatum. Good morning, Ms. Tatum. Calling ticket number P1334120 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Tamira Tatum. Ms. Tatum, please state your name for the record.
Tamira Tatum.
Thank you, Ms. Tatum. It appears you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, a 3-month delay on the smoking charge, and anything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is that pretty little one?
He is 3 months.
Oh, what a cutie. Hi there. All right. I miss having babies around. Okay. Anybody promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on March 28th of 2022 in the area of Davison and LaSalle, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. It's also true that you were consuming marijuana or smoking marijuana in the passenger area of the vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Your fine on the failure to display is $190. On the marijuana charge, I can reduce that one to $100 since it's on the same ticket, giving you $290 altogether.
Okay.
This is a 3-month delayed sentence. All right. So that means you have 90 days to get these paid.
Okay.
If you have to prioritize something, prioritize the marijuana ticket. If you're going to need a payment plan on the other one, that's fine. You just need to go down and see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. Okay.
Okay.
Give you a longer term payment plan, but on this other one, you've got 90 days. As long as you pay it in the 90 days and don't get any similar tickets, we'll just pull this up and dismiss it at the end of the 90 days.
Okay.
If, however, you get a similar ticket or don't get it paid off and you need to come back and see me so we can keep you on track, come back June 29th at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, perfect.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Ms. Taylor Hatchett, good morning. Listen, guys, we're in court now. You need to sit up. You need to act like you're in court. I need to be able to observe you. Thank you. Calling ticket number SX46416431 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Deasia Taylor Hatchett. Ms. Taylor Hatchett, please unmute and state your name.
Deja Taylor Hatchet.
Thank you. Your matters were set for trial today. The officer who was subpoenaed to appear has failed to appear for trial and failed to notify the court or city attorney's office as to the reason for a non-appearance. For that reason, your tickets are being dismissed at this time.
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Aronde Prince, good morning. Calling ticket number P1225031 and 731160, City versus Aronde Prince. Mr. Prince, state your name for the record.
Aronde Prince.
Thank you. Your cases were scheduled for trial today and the officers scheduled have failed to appear. For that reason, I am dismissing your tickets. The dismissal is without prejudice. I'm telling you that because I have one officer on one of these tickets who generally does appear. If they chose to, they could refile it. It's not normally done. Sometimes it does happen. But as of today, they are dismissed for no officer. If it did get refiled, you just come back and see me again. We'd start over, okay?
Okay. So what like the items that was taken away, they just gone?
I don't know. What did they take?
I remember they took phones, and I don't know if they took some money. I don't remember.
Well, the cases I have are from 2021 for you.
Yeah.
So, and oh, they did an inventory search. Were you charged with anything else in 2021 arising out of the search of the vehicle?
I forget. I forgot.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is going back to 2021. I don't know what other matters you had or what all was taken or anything like that. So if you want to file some sort of motion or something, you're probably going to have to get an attorney to do that. All right.
All right.
All right. Have a good day. Your tickets are dismissed. Morning, counsel.
Your Honor.
Okay, we have a lot of people with very similar names on the docket this morning, so you'll have to remind me.
That's all right, Your Honor. May I present?
Sure, come on. Yeah. It's
I'm
fine.
just presenting this to your clerk. I got her filing from Reed's. And
Okay.
I've never been in your court, but it's tradition. It means nothing. So
All right.
thank you for waiting for me. I got hung up in traffic coming from Wayne.
Of course, I
And
understand.
I had a state case there.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
And the funny thing is I looked at the ticket and he checked the box City of Melvinville and it ended up down here. So
Okay.
you do what you want to do.
Okay, we'll
I'll
take a
give
look
him
at
the
it.
name. When you
Who is the
jump-
client again, please?
It's called Perez Moreno. First,
Okay, is that person here?
no, he's not. He's working. I would have to get an interpreter. I figured that
Gotcha.
if
All right.
it wasn't written right, you decide what you want to do. If you
All
want,
right.
if they want to offer something, I'll do it. If not, you know.
All right, let's take a look. We've got a violation of basic speed law, no ops. And can you run the SOS, see if there's a valid license, please?
That's a good question too, Judge. I'm just surprised that the trooper checked Melvindale and he sent it down here.
What's this? Is this scheduled for pretrial today or
Yeah,
trial?
today's like a pretrial.
Okay.
And, but I like coming down to see you guys, so please forgive me.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Plus I get to bring everybody going, so that makes sense. But, you know, I visited the city attorney Friday. They weren't ready to do anything because they couldn't find the file. So
Okay,
I'll just shut up and be quiet. Judge.
give us just a minute. We'll get this. Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay, so there may be an international license with someone with which we have reciprocity. I don't know, but we're not finding a US license.
My guess is you're right, and I'm
Okay, so you do need to see the city attorney though, because there's a violation of basic speed law ticket.
okay.
And you need to know what they're gonna do with that. I will tell you. It's scheduled for pretrial today. Traditionally, the troopers have not shown up for trial. So whatever you want to do with that, when you go to speak.
Yeah,
with
you
the client.
know, I don't want to burden the court, and I don't know what you do on those venue issues when they write the wrong ticket in the city.
If you want to challenge it, it's defective on its face. That's absolutely
That
fine.
requires me to make some motion.
Yeah, but you
If
can,
they would make an offer, I'll go see if Tamika's there.
okay, yeah, but you can feel free to make a, or you can make an oral motion, if you think it's defective, and you can tell Ms. Horn that. Can I have the threat?
I have a brother who's a judge, and at the end of the day, it's about final average compensation for the district. So I understand where that goes, because I'm not here to give anybody a hard time.
All right,
I will be.
I'll
right
wait
back,
to see you back. Thank you.
Judge.
All right, Zane Thrasher, I have ticket number P10399650 and all other related matters on today's docket. Team City versus Zane Thrasher. Zane Thrasher, state your name, please, for the record.
John A. Thrasher.
John A. Thrasher,
Yes.
thank you. Pretty. All right.
Thank you.
Defense counsel has reviewed all of your valid documentation. Oh, as to registration and insurance, made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I'm happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Barrett, you ready on Tarleton?
Yes.
Calling ticket number U743243226, City versus Miguel Tarleton. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Miguel Tarleton, P43238. Mr. Tarleton, excuse me, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Tarleton, state your name for the record, please.
Miguel Tarleton.
Thank you.
Judge, it's my understanding the matter set for trial with no officer. Make a motion to be dismissed.
Thank you. Officer Howells was subpoenaed to appear for trial today. Has failed to contact the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. City attorney has also not heard from that officer. For that reason, it will be dismissed without prejudice for the officer's failure to appear. Mr. Tarleton, that means that they could refile it in the future. It's not the norm, but it does sometimes happen. If they refiled it in the future, you'd come back and see me again. We get everything back on track. For now, it's dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You have a better one.
Bye-bye.
Judge, did Shanitha Parker check in?
Yep, she's here.
When was that?
So Parker is here in room 16.
Okay, Judge, and I still had Perez wait.
Okay, hold on. Parker, who was the other one that you just, Dantrell? You have Dantrell here as well. What is it?
Dantrell Trailer.
Trailer, okay.
Yeah, which
so
one
then
is that?
Trailer is in room 22.
Okay. And then I'm sorry, go ahead.
It's okay. Perez. Mia Perez in room 4.
Right. They were waiting. She was gonna run her SOS. I wasn't sure if there was any update, but I'll check. Is your city attorney here?
Attorney Horn is in the room right now.
You mean the courtroom?
What did I say?
You did here right now.
Okay. I'm like, wait, what did I say? Did I?
She's in the
Sometimes my brain and
courtroom.
mouth are out of sync. Okay. I'm like, was it me? Okay. Yes, she's in here with us right now. So she's asking on Mia Perez. You wanted an SOS before you formulated an offer on that. Okay. Counsel, come on up. We'll get your case called. Looks like this is going to be a dismissal as to defectiveness on the face and wrong jurisdiction. I've got ticket number X4649991, City versus, is it Harvest Moises Perez Moreno? Counsel.
Good morning on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Your Honor, George Zelenak on behalf of the respondent, and I would ask the court to waive his appearance. He's working today. If you have no objection, I'm entitled to do whatever I want.
All right, thank you. As long as this results in a dismissal, I am happy to grant the motion to waive his appearance. We'll hold that in advance until it's finalized on the record. If not, we'll adjourn it for his appearance. All right, go ahead, Attorney Horn.
Yes, Your Honor. Counsel has brought to my attention, we've got the wrong venue. The ticket says City of Melvindale. That is an absolute defective ticket, Your Honor, because going to trial or a formal hearing, I would have to prove that it was in the City of Detroit.
All right.
I'm not going to oppose that, Your Honor. For the first time in 48 years, I won a case on something that I found out is a technicality at the last moment. So all those lessons from Wayne State Law School paid off.
All right, well, good thing.
No objection. And Judge, it's nice seeing you, and I hope you'll be back here soon.
Nice to see you too. Ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
I still got work on Friday.
Oh, Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, sounds like, Damon Pope, good morning. Damon Pope, please unmute. Good morning. All right, you're gonna need to unmute and speak up or I'll have to remove you from the session.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Thank you. Yes, what time were you scheduled for, please?
Between 10 and 10:30.
What made you think you're scheduled between 10 and 10:30? That's not how court works, and you were scheduled for 8:30.
No. I looked on the schedule on the phone, on the video thing. It said 10 to 10:30.
All right, you need to be here because I don't know that this is going to resolve today. Probably not. You're going to be scheduled for 8:30 the next time too, and you need to be here at 8:30. Okay, let's get your do you know what this, just yes or no, please? Do you know what the status of your driver's license is at this time?
I don't have any driving license.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room to speak with an attorney, okay? Go ahead and hit join. You're going to room 32. Hit join, please. Attorney Johnson?
Yeah, I needed to actually looking for Miss Horn. So
Ms. Horn?
yeah.
Yes, Mr. Johnson.
Hey, Miss Horn, just real quick on what is her name? Miss Thomas. Kayla
What
Thomas.
time is she set?
Another good question. I think it was at 8:30, but let me see real quick. You didn't give an offer. I'm just wondering if you would amend it slightly. 1 second. Let me go to my document.
It's 8:35.
Is it Malika?
Kayla Thomas. She had the blockading. You offered the blockading left to center, and the no insurance because she provided the insurance. She actually provided me with pictures of the reason why she went slightly left to center.
We can set it for formal. Thank you.
Problem. Thank you.
And if she can send those pictures over.
Yeah, she uploaded them to my chat. So once
She doesn't want to take blockading. Doesn't sound like she's pleading not guilty.
no, and I normally don't even come to you unless it's
Yeah.
Sounds like she's got an
credible
explanation.
based upon what I've seen. So all right, I'll tell her.
Check what I gave you. I think I gave 2.
Attorney Jenkins?
Yes, Judge.
Hello. Oh, they're looking for an offer on Thelma Parker in 24. It says she's no longer driving. She was born in, I guess it's age. It sounds like she's elderly, maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna look at these 3 cases here first.
Gotcha. Frederick Turner doesn't offer. Yep.
Sean Pearson?
Do we? On the docket today?
Oh, no. I think the name is just spelled, the name is spelled different. I'm sorry.
Some of these folks.
First time I wrote the date.
I have Raymond Thomas. Do you understand this notation in room 26? Raymond Thomas, officer, appeared, but it's got an FH next to his name.
Formal hearing.
Okay, thank you.
Courtroom, did they ask you about arraignment time?
Deshaun Pearson is saying he has retained counsel, but I don't know who that would be. Can I have the file on Thelma Parker when you get a moment, please? Yeah, Miss Horn.
Yes, sir.
Thelma Parker was born in 1940. She has tickets from, oh, these are fairly recent, January 2026. So it says registration plates, insurance, and a failed to report an accident. I'll wait for you to work with that one. Sorry to interrupt you. All right. Ms. Barrett?
Yes, Judge, we're ready on Miss Parker.
Okay, we have the Corinthia Parker file, please, when you're ready. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Calling ticket number P1862247 and all other related matters on today's docket to Corinthia Fatima Parker. Counsel.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Miss Parker, P43238. Judge, she had valid documents. The only thing left was she wants to admit responsibility on that blockading and ask for time to pay.
All right, thank you. Ms. Parker, please state your name for the record.
Corinthia Parker.
Thank you. So it's my understanding the insurance count is being dismissed and then the disregarding red signal, which would have carried points, was being reduced to blockading, which is 0 points and doesn't report out to insurance. You avail yourself of that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you are admitting to the blockading traffic on February 4th, 2026 at northbound Greenfield and Plymouth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that fine is $175. You've got 60 days to either get it paid in full or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal remains in place, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, Attorney Barrett, let me just help you make sure you know where all your other folks are.
Okay.
So you have Mia Perez in room 4.
Right.
You have Dantel Trailer in room 6.
Oh, okay, you moved that person. Okay.
Yeah, I moved them up. I'm starting to, it gets hard for me to see them down there. And I think that's it for yours. Yep, you have those 2 left.
Okay, did your city attorney leave?
Yes, she did.
Okay, what room is she, 2?
She usually goes to 2 for attorneys. Yep, she's in room 2, looks like, for attorneys.
Okay, thanks. Let me go there.
Just got my lab report back.
Yeah.
I was so scared.
Yeah.
She said, "Chocolate, make sure you keep you."
So happy.
Yeah, I was so nervous.
All this stuff. Like always something. Once it starts, with age, with age.
That's how it was coming. There. But they were like, I just know. I got family out here.
So it's interesting, like my daughter is an anthropology major.
Right.
And so they studied, one of the things they studied last semester was how different cultures handle illness. And it's very traditional in some cultures for only the family to know and never tell the person because they believe that positive energy, thinking positively contributes to lifespan.
Yeah.
And so they don't tell.
Yeah, my aunt, she was at church.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
She didn't tell me, like, my mother, my sister.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm.
It's hard to figure out how to handle these things sometimes.
Yeah.
All right. If you want me to put offers on the room names while you're sitting here, I can do that for
Yeah, let's do
you.
it, Judge. And then I'll finish these other two. I gotta read their
Okay.
SOSs. Your Honor, I'm ready.
Okay. Were you ready on?
Gary, Taylor.
Gary Taylor, where did he go?
Barkovic is his attorney.
Okay.
She's in the room with me.
Oh, that might not work. We'll bring her out. See if I can bring her out. That way you can tell her what the offer is because he's not here. Okay, and who's the other one?
Let's see, I think that's all I got ready so
Okay,
far.
no problem.
I thought, did I pass Gary Taylor to you, Madam Clerk? Cause I got Deshaun Pearson here. Oh, let's see. Here he is. Hold on.
Did I give you Raymond?
Okay. Yeah, Gary Taylor. I'll adjust it. a little bit. Okay, I am ready for Gary Taylor.
Okay. I'm trying to bring the attorney out.
So
I'm
just
not
going to
having
find
much luck.
his-
Not having any luck getting her out here. Attorney Jenkins?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Horn is here. If you're, I don't know if you're looking for her.
No, I think I finished with everyone. I just stopped by Mr. Pearson's room to check and see what the status was, because I see there's a note that says retained, and I see on the list it looks like Jeans is the attorney, but as soon as
Yes.
I lost that person. This
And I have
might
his-
be
He's
them.
in room, he's in 19. Yep, he does have retained counsel who's here. So yep, you don't need to deal with him.
Oh, okay. Okay, all right.
That's Deshaun Pearson.
Yeah.
Okay, working on that one.
Okay.
I'm gonna move him up so I don't lose him to room 7.
Well, I will send over my new dates for people.
Okay. Sounds great. Thank you very much for your work today. Let me just double check these upper rooms before I let you. I've got Attorney Barrett in room 4, Attorney Carpenter in room 5. Barrett has room 6, retained in room 7. Frederick Turner, room 8. It's Attorney Carpenter. Raymond Thomas. Has anyone dealt with Raymond Thomas? He was previously down in a higher numbered room, but he's here for formal hearing. The officer did appear. He's room 10.
Okay, and I have his file on the desk. I'll take a look at it.
Okay.
Raymond Thomas.
Yes, Your Honor. So he wants to move forward with his formal hearing.
Okay, that's fine. Raymond Thomas can do his formal hearing.
Okay.
And so we don't need you to deal with that one, Attorney Jenkins. Looks like you talked to Deshaun Pearson. We're already dealing with him. He's good. And then Mr. Johnson has Lily Taylor. Who's got Ms.
Yes.
Selma Parker in room 24?
I have her. I need an offer from Ms. Parker. Her
Okay,
offer
she's got the file. Yep. Okay, we've got that file. And what's going on with Lily Taylor?
Lily Taylor, I was gonna ask if it could be amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, so she can
Yes.
hopefully get her license.
All right, she said yes.
All right, thank you. Then I can
Uh-huh.
go pop in there, and then I'll come back for my offer from Ms. Parker.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Attorney Barkovich, city attorney is in the room, says she has an offer for you on Gary Taylor.
Great. I got kicked out of the room. I don't know why. So do I need to go back?
No, that's okay. She's in the courtroom with us now. What's the offer, Attorney Horn?
And Your Honor, thank you. It's 1 to 5 speed, dismissal of the back, everything else. So on the unsafe matter, the accident, something like that, the middle.
So we have a passing on the right, violation of basic speed law, driving unsafe manner, and careless driving. We have 3 charges here. The offer is to amend the second charge, then the violation of basic speed law, to a 1 to 5 over speed, dismissing everything else.
Okay, and just to confirm, 1 to 5 is going to be 1 point?
Yes,
yes, ma'am. Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's
you're welcome.
Fine. We'll accept.
I'm surprised you're not in the building. You're usually here.
I know. I've been everywhere today except there.
All right, so you are making the admission to the 1 to 5 over on behalf of your client?
That is correct.
All right, calling ticket number P1845034, City versus Gary Taylor Jr. Counsel, just put your appearance on the record so we know you're here, please.
Yes, Camilla Barkovic appearing on behalf of Mr. Taylor.
Thank you. All right, and you're accepting the offer to the 1 to 5 over speed. That fine is $125, 60 days to pay.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Have a great day.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Stacey Perkins hasn't appeared.
Okay. You okay with me doing the KPS on Stacey Perkins so Corporal Whitehead can get out of here?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, Attorney Jenkins, as long as we have your dates, you are free to go.
All right. Thank you, Judge. I just sent them.
Wonderful. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Good to see you.
Too, always. Thank you. I like yours too.
Thank you. See you guys.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
No, I'll wait. All right, looks like we're going to be ready on Lily Taylor. Here's the film. Madam Clerk is going to need that Thelma Parker file as well. There it is. All right, Lily Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's get you going here. All right, I have tickets number P1867829 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Lily Taylor. Please state your name for the record.
Lily Taylor.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, it appears that you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and dismissing a no insurance ticket. You've also requested community service in lieu of the fines, which I'm happy to do. Did anyone promise you anything else get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121.
Thank you. I understand that, or I'm sorry, Ms. Taylor, is it true that on February 14th of 2026, in the area of Van Dyke and Gratiot, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. I'm so sorry. Is it true that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle at that date and location, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Counsel satisfied?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel, I've got this other ticket, a speeding ticket. Looks like it was written on the same day. Let me just check the status of that. Madam Clerk, would you mind checking that speeding ticket? Make sure we don't have any other open matters. Okay. Ms. Horn?
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a speeding in default on Ms. Taylor, who just pled to an FTD. It's for a 16 to 20 over. I do have her SOS from the last time.
Okay.
I don't know if you could take a look at that and see if you want to make her an offer as to the
Fine.
speeding. Okay, all right. Attorney Johnson, offer as to her speeding, which was 16 to 20 over, so a 4-point ticket is a reduction to blockading. You want to see if Ms. Taylor wants to take that, given that she's already getting community service? I'll do
Taylor,
community on that one as well.
I understand we kind of talked about there might be a ticket out there, which you had not dealt with because of the missed court date. It does appear that ticket is there. They're going to reduce that ticket to what's called blockading traffic. Blockading. That's a 0-point offense, but it does come with fines and costs if you want to accept that today and resolve it today. Otherwise, it'll stay out there in default status. Do you want to move forward on the ticket?
Yes, I do want to move forward.
All right, we move to have this matter set aside, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Motion to set aside default is granted. Ms. Taylor, you're just admitting to blockading traffic at that same date and location. Are you making that admission at this time?
Yes.
All right. So, and then you want to do community service for your tickets, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So, on your 175, there's an unhappy baby in the hallway. All right. So on your blockading traffic, that's going to be 12 hours of community service. And then on your failure to display, that's going to be you've got 13 hours on that one. So 12 hours plus 13 hours on your community service. Okay, that gives you 25 hours of community service altogether. I'm going to give you a phone number to call so you can get placed to do the community service. Please get ready to take down this number, Ms. Taylor.
Okay, what's the number?
313.
Okay.
965.
8130.
8130.
You need to call them to get placement for your community service. I'm going to give you a date to come back in 90 days to confirm that your community service is done. That's on June the 29th. June 29th of 2026, 8:30 a.m. just to review for your community service, okay?
Okay, can I get the phone number again, please? 965.
8130. And please wait until Wednesday to call.
Okay. And for the so the speeding ticket that's for the barcade thing. Is that included in the community service?
Yes, I've included that in your community service. So 25
Okay.
hours total.
Okay.
Okay. Got
Yes.
lucky on that offer today. That would have been 4 points on your license. Slow down.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
Before
Okay.
you leave, Ms. Taylor, the court needs contact information, correct?
Yes, and
Or you already-
that address,
One second.
okay.
We're live. I don't know.
Yeah, just put it in the chat, please, Attorney Johnson, and then you can send it over to us.
No, I had to retrieve it, so I had to obtain it. Ms. Taylor,
sorry?
if you can go, do you know how to use the chat?
Yes.
Can you chat me your contact information,
Yes.
address and phone number? Thank you.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
All right. And if Ms.
Okay.
Horn is there still waiting on the offer for Ms. Parker
Yeah.
trial?
All right. I saw Corporal Rule came out. Corporal Rule, you are here on Taylor Hatchett, who did not appear. Maisha Taylor Hatchett. Deasia Taylor Hatchett did appear, but not Maisha Taylor Hatchett. And then you're also here on Turner, who has not gotten the offer. The attorney, I don't think, has gotten the offer yet. So we're just waiting on that one.
Okay, I lost. I got kicked out.
Oh, did you? Okay. All right. Let me get you back into room 1 then. I don't even know how to do that. I'm going to have to move you twice. I'll move you to 7, go to 7, and then I'll move you back to 1.
Okay.
Do you want me to bring the attorneys out so you can tell them the offers, or do you want to go back up and go to room 2?
I can go back in room 2.
Okay.
Parker.
So that's the one. She was born in 1940. She's not driving anymore. Attorney Johnson is here on her behalf in the courtroom.
I'm sorry, do I leave?
Yes,
Yes,
Ms.
we're
Taylor.
all
As long as you're giving Mr. Johnson your contact info. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Come on.
This is the rest of them. I think Mr. Clarence.
Oh, okay.
That was the back one.
So on Miss Thelma Parker, you said she's no longer driving anymore because of age?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna be the failure to report accident, because if it wasn't her, she was driving on January of 2026.
Okay.
January, the ticket for the failure to report is dated January 29th, 2026. But it won't abstract, and I believe no points.
Okay.
And then dismissal of the balance.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sure enough.
Oh my goodness. Probably a neighbor.
It was. I said, both of them. Fool me once, you fool me once. It was the same one, same neighbor.
The only other one Johnson's going to be looking for
Is that trial?
is Raymond Thomas here, where he wants to have his formal hearing.
Yeah, it didn't sound like he wanted an offer.
Nope, you're right.
Okay.
You reminded me.
And I'm just gonna take a quick break and then just check on the other 2 courtrooms, because I'm covering Williams today too.
Okay, but you got, you have your attorneys, Carpenter.
Yep, I'm gonna talk to them. I'm gonna go in the room.
Okay.
And then
they're watching for you. Okay. Yeah, they were waiting for you. Okay. Can you just mute us right now?
Ready on Parker.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, good morning, Ms. Parker.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Great, thank you. All right, I have ticket number P1859698 and P1859665. These are all City versus Thelma Parker. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, B78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Parker, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Parker, state your full name for the record.
Thelma Parker.
Thank you. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Today is the date and time for a trial in this matter or formal hearing. My client is going to waive her right to any type of trial or formal hearing, as that the following plea, no contest plea, is adopted from the Assistant Corporation Counsel, Your Honor. My client will give and she's been advised of her rights. My client's going to plead no contest for lack of recollection to failing to report an accident, and ask that the other three matters are dismissed.
Thank you. I'm just bringing Corporal Spidell out. All right, Ms. Parker, does all of that sound correct to you?
Yes.
Okay. And I need to make sure that you understand that when you enter a no contest plea, it has the same effects as a guilty plea. So any fines, costs, things like that that would go along with the guilty plea, you do still have with a no contest plea, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead today?
No.
And do you feel like anyone forced or threatened or coerced you into doing this today?
No.
Are you, all right. So the no contest is going to be to the fail to report. Counsel, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
And what are we using for the factual basis? Are we using the face of the ticket?
Face of the ticket to establish a factual basis for that count. Thank you.
Thank you. Remarks on the ticket indicate that there was a hit and run auto accident. It says vehicle titled in this name, had improper plate on the vehicle, last registered to a Honda Accord. Okay, so that would be on the failure to report that the remarks are detailing a hit and run. Fine is going to be $190. Ms. Parker, I'm going to give you 90 days on this. So 90 days to pay the 190, or if you want more time than that, you can get it by seeing the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and asking them for a longer term payment plan. As long as you give them a down payment within the 90 days, it'll all stay in place. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You take care of yourself, ma'am.
Okay. Where do I pay this?
You can pay it online through the court's website, but not today. Give us another day or two to get it updated in the system. Okay. You can pay through the website, or you can come down and see the cashiers on the first floor if you want to pay it in person.
Okay. Thank you.
Sometimes you can also pay the DivDap machines in the city of Detroit, but you do have to have exact change if you go to those machines. Okay.
$190. Okay.
190, 90 days. Have a great day.
Okay. You be blessed and stay safe.
Same to you. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. You just got this one formal hearing. Raymond Thomas.
Yeah, he wants to have his formal hearing.
Okay. Let's see what he's got. When you have a moment, can I take a look at the Raymond Thomas file, please? Dantel trailer. Was there an offer on Dantel trailer? Corporal Spidell, can you hear me?
Yes, Corporal Spidell.
Okay. As to the Thelma Parker file, please just go ahead and place your name and badge number on the record.
Corporal Spidell, badge 402, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. We just concluded that matter. She took a plea. She admitted to no contest to the failure to report. All else was dismissed.
All right. Thank you. You have a good day.
All right. You too. Bye-bye. Where's my office? Did we run an SOS on Clarence Perry?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What time is that formal hearing scheduled for? In Dantel trailer. There it is. Okay, 9:15. Oh, final pretrial, 6-month delay. Let's make sure she knows what that offer is. You said we did run the SOS on Clarence Perry. What does he have? Is he valid?
Suspended.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
I'm still waiting on Tamika Horn. Do you mind if I check into Judge
In the
Griffin's?
room, she's in the room speaking right now in room 2.
I didn't see her speaking, but I will check.
I just watched the microphone moving. She's
Okay.
in there, attorneys right now.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. What time is Raymond Thomas scheduled for? Thank you. Can I see that file, please? Thank you. Attorney Johnson, I just wanted to take a look at Mr. Thomas's ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
I wanted to see if this is one where they were using pacing or using an actual radar device. They do have an actual device here, apparently.
All right.
Did the trooper, do we have the trooper here?
The
Let's see.
trooper appeared and I think Ms. Lauren may have her number.
Okay. All right, so they'll be calling her back.
What was the original? Was there an offer? I wasn't sure.
So this was a charged as a 21 to 25 over. Says there was a radar device used. Let me see if there was an offer. No, I'm not seeing an offer either. So
Okay. I'll check and see if there's one.
I guess, yeah, no point in not having your hearing if you don't have an offer.
Exactly. Let's see if we can get one.
That sounded like the waiting room, but I don't see anybody in the waiting room. Ready on Pearson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's see. He is in room. Where'd he go? Where is he?
I thought he was at 19. I'm not sure. I haven't spoken with him though.
So I had moved him up so
Okay.
you would be able to see him.
Okay.
But it appears that he's logged off and you might need to contact him depending upon what we're doing.
Well, she's made an offer. I still hadn't received discovery on one of the cases, so we're going to adjourn to another pretrial so I can just look at discovery and we'll have it resolved at the next hearing.
All right, so you'll let your client know about that?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Okay, so calling ticket number P1866548 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Deshaun Pearson. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. If you may please this court, Chester Janess, P83295, appearing on behalf of Mr. Deshaun Pearson. We ask to waive his appearance for this matter.
All right, thank you. Given the nature of the resolution today, which is going to be an adjournment, I will waive his appearance. He did appear. Court did check him in, so he'll get credit for having been here today. You're looking for another final pretrial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
Our next pretrial date is April the 13th at 9:15.
Okay. If that gives the prosecution enough time to get discovery, I think 2
When
weeks
was
should be
discovery
fine.
requested? When was discovery requested?
I would say today again, we had a mishap on the last discovery request, so it was requested again today. She asked for 28 days, but I leave it in the court's discretion.
Okay, we'll set the final pretrial for April 28th.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll see you April 28th, 9:15.
Okay, enjoy your holiday.
You do the same, thank you. Okay. All right, there we go there. And who else do I have? Officer Hope. Oh, we've got all the officers here. Okay, what are we doing? Oh, I have some. Oh, I think I tried to pull Corporal Bennett out earlier. Corporal Bennett?
Yes, Your Honor.
I think I tried to pull you out earlier when we were dealing with the Parker matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
I mean, maybe just assume maybe you were busy in another room. All right. So I'll recall it just so you can put your name on the record if you'd like to do so.
Yes, Your Honor, I will.
Okay, so calling ticket number SP 186-22471 and 472. These are City versus Corinthia Parker. Corporal Bennett, just state your name for the record, name and badge number, please.
Corporal Dale Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. As stated, this case was resolved by plea earlier. Really no insurance was dismissed, and I believe the disregarding red was changed to blockading from my memory.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, Corporal Bennett.
You too, thank you.
Okay, so Corporal Rule, you're waiting on the Turner matter. Officer Haupt, you're waiting on the Perry matter. Did City Attorney tell you guys to come on out here?
Yes, you did.
Okay, then that probably means she wants me to move Officer Person as well, so I'll do that.
I came out here to ask if the Taylor Hatch show up. I think you said Capias.
Taylor Hatchett is going to be Capias on Asia. Or Hatchet, yes, that'll be a Capias on that one. Looks like council is talking with Frederick Turner, so hopefully we'd be ready on that one way or the other in a moment.
Okay, I know we're waiting on the trial. I did give him an offer. I'm not sure with Bennett's case, did, Your Honor?
That one was by plea. I let him know and I let him go.
Thank you so much.
I tried to bring him out before. I'm trying to get Officer Person to come out, but I haven't just because it looked like you were sending everyone out now.
Okay. I'm gonna run over to the other courtroom. Mr. Johnson's gonna let me know I did give them an offer. I think he's gonna discuss it with Mr. Raymond.
And you have contact information for the trooper if we need her back?
Alexis, yes.
Okay.
Yep, Alexis Adams. Yep. Let me
All
see.
right.
Let me be sure. Yep, I do have it. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Attorney Barrett, you ready on either of your matters?
I'm still trying to get the offers from the
She
prosecutor.
just left. I thought you guys were in the room together.
Oh no, hold on.
Okay. Can you go take care of your room? Dantel Trailer in room 6 has an offer to a 6-month delay. Do you want to at least go talk to him about that?
Okay, let me go in there.
Okay, 6-month delay is the offer there. You sound like you're under the weather today. Sounds like she's not feeling well. Did she give you the Mia Perez file back? Maybe she put the offer in there. Take a look. Mia Perez. That's what Attorney Barrett's been waiting on. Attorney Barrett? Okay, when she comes back in. All right, ready on Dantel Trailer, and then I do have your offer for you on Mia Perez as well.
Okay, go ahead, Judge.
Okay, so we'll get Mr. Trailer done and then I'll give you that one. Calling ticket number P1809956, City versus Dantel Trailer. Council.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Barrett on behalf of Dan Tell Trailer. Judge, there's an offer. He wants to waive his rights and plead guilty to that delayed sentence.
All right, thank you. So Mr. Trailer, what you're offered is a 3-month delayed sentence. That means that as long as you don't pick up any similar tickets and you get this fine paid within 3 months, it will get dismissed from your record. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today? I just need you to give verbal answers, sir. I need you to speak up, and I'm asking you yes or no questions. Did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, Mr. Trailer? I just need a yes or a no. Did anyone force? What's wrong, Mr. Trailer? What's going on? Here, I'm going to turn your video off because we have an audio delay that's causing a problem. Let me stop your video. Okay, Mr. Trailer, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you wish to enter a guilty plea with the 3-month delayed sentence?
Yeah.
Okay, then I have some questions that I have to ask you. Like, did anyone promise you anything else other than the delayed sentence to get you to plead today?
I don't get it. I don't understand.
Did anyone promise you? Did anybody promise you they were going to give you $1 million if you pled guilty or something like that?
No. They ain't saying nothing about no $1 million.
Did anyone promise you anything that they wouldn't say in court to get you to plead guilty today?
They ain't say. I don't know. I don't.
Okay, Attorney Barrett, Mr. Trailers needs some additional assistance. Let me give you your offer on Mia Perez before you go, and then you can speak with Mr. Trailer. On Mia Perez, here is your offer. It's going to be responsible on the ticket ending in 4362, but amended to blockading. And then on 4367, it's going to be as charged on the failure to report, dismissal of everything else.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Trailer, I know these questions are confusing, but I have to make sure that the plea that you're entering is something that you want to do and that you're clear about. So that's the nature of the questions under the court rules. I'm going to put you back in a breakout room and Ms. Barrett will come back and speak with you in just a moment. Okay. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. I'm going to put him in room 7, Attorney Barrett. Go ahead and join the breakout room, Mr. Trailer. Attorney Carpenter, are you ready on your matters?
Yes, I'm ready on both my matters, Your Honor.
Can I have the Frederick Turner file, please, Madam Clerk? And then may I have the Clarence Perry trial file, please? Clarence Perry and Frederick Turner. All right, calling ticket number P1844689 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Frederick Turner. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Frederick Turner. Frederick Turner, can you please state your full name for the record?
Frederick Turner.
Thank you. Corporal Rule, your appearance, name and badge number for the record, please.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police.
Thank you. Attorney Carpenter, what are we doing?
Your Honor, the prosecutor is willing to move for dismissal with stipulation of probable cause.
Thank you. Dismissal is to all counts?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, motion to dismiss as to all counts is granted. Mr. Turner, have a good day. Thank you, Corporal Rule, for your appearance today.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. Now we're on Clarence Perry, which is ticket number P1843763 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Clarence Perry. Attorney Carpenter, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Clarence Perry. Clarence Perry, can you please state your full name for the record?
Clarence Perry.
Thank you. Officers, please turn on your cameras. Thank you. State your name and badge number through the record, please.
Yes, Nicholas Hop, badge 179, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you.
It's gonna be officer person, badge number 22, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, we're moving to dismiss for tickets 1, that's Officer Blitzer, as well as ticket number 2, which is Jay White, since they have failed to appear today.
One moment, please. Okay, Officer Bitzer's tickets and Officer White's tickets are dismissed for their failure to appear, failure to notify the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. As to the other matters?
Your Honor, as far as ticket number 3 was Officer Hop, the driving while license suspended would be amended to an allow. The 16 to 20 over would be amended to a limited access 6 to 10. The no proof of insurance would be dismissed.
Hold on, please. Hold
Okay.
on, please. I got allowing, then I got a 6 to 10.
Yeah, limited access 6 to 10. The no proof would be dismissed.
Okay.
And then the improper equipment would be dismissed.
And what are we doing with count 1 on that ticket?
The driving while license suspended, is that the one?
Yes.
Okay, that would be amended to an allow.
Oh, that's the one you're amending to allowing.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you. All right, and then as to officer person's tickets?
The driving while license suspended misdemeanor would be amended to a failure to display. And then the expired plates would be dismissed.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Perry, is all of that consistent with your understanding of what was going to happen today?
Yeah.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct.
Thank you. Can you check the status of this for me, please? All right, please raise your right hand, Mr. Perry, and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. You can put your hand down, sir. All right. Is it true that on May the 22nd of 2025, in the area of Kelly Road and Seymour in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to Officer Haupt when requested?
Correct.
Thank you. That will be the admission for the allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Attorney Carpenter, are you satisfied with that factual basis?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Then, Mr. Perry, you are also admitting on that same date and location to going 6 to 10 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, limited access. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, that one 150, 6 to 10? We did this the other day. 1 to 5? No, 135. All right. The fine on your allowing unlicensed driver to drive is $190. On your 6 to 10 over limited access, it's $135. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things, and that is to pay the tickets in full or to at least start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal remains in place. I'm sorry, we do still have officer person's ticket to deal with, sir, which is your testimony that on December 17th of 2025 in the area of Gratiot and Mount Elliott, is it true that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to officer person upon his request?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That gives you one other $190 fine. So your fines are as follows: $190, 190, and 135. Because there's 3 of them, I'll extend this to 90 days. So I'll give you 90 days to start on the payment plan or get them paid in full, okay? Because they're going to want a down payment if you get on a payment plan. I don't know how much that is, so I'll give you a little extra time to come up with that down payment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, this one is scheduled for sentence in May 4th.
Okay, thank you. And you know you have a case scheduled for sentencing with me on May 4th, okay? That's
Yes.
on, I think that's an OWI. All right, so I'll see you back here May 4th for that one. All right, have a great day.
Okay,
Thank you, Your
you
Honor.
too, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Carpenter. Okay, Attorney Johnson, we're ready on Raymond Thomas. What are we doing?
Good, that Mr. Thomas, who is in person, is going to accept the plea or responsible, Your Honor.
Okay, Tompkins, is there anybody that can, do we not have a court officer?
He said he was in the hallway. He was on
Yeah, the
the phone.
problem is something has happened to my court officer.
Oh.
And I can't get him from the hallway, so give me just a moment, sorry. Ms. Perez, good morning.
Good morning.
Did you have a chance to discuss the offer in your file with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
They're asking you to plead responsible to blockading traffic and also to admit the failure to report or leaving the scene, failure to report accident, excuse me, because that's a 0-point ticket. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Calling ticket number P1824362 and P1824367, City versus Mia Perez. Ms. Perez, state your name for the record, please.
Mia Perez.
Thank you. Attorney Barrett, your appearance, please, on the Perez matter.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Ms. Perez.
Thank you.
She wanted to accept the offer.
That's fine.
made.
All right. Thank you. So we just discussed that on the record. It was blockading traffic and failure to report. Ms. Perez, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
It's the truth.
Thank you. All right, ma'am, is it true that on January 12th of 2026, in the area of westbound West Verner and Dragoon, that you failed to report an accident that you were involved in?
Yes.
Thank you. And then you are also admitting to blockading traffic on that same date and location, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you. On the failure to report, that fine is $190.
Mhm.
On the blockading traffic, that one is $175.
Okay.
Okay, I'm giving you 60 days to either pay them in full. Please don't try to pay today. Wait a couple of days. We need Raymond Thomas from the hallway, please.
Okay.
Within the 60 days, you can either get them paid in full, starting like Wednesday, Tuesday, let us update the system. Or if you need longer than that to pay, you can come see the cashiers down on the first floor of the courthouse and just give them the down payment to start a payment plan. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, what's going on with Mr. Trailer, Attorney Barrett?
Well, Judge, I really don't know what to say at this point. He's telling me he has mental health issues and memory
Yeah.
problems. So
Okay, let's see. We'll bring him back out. I mean, I think that the plea that he's trying to enter is voluntary. He's just getting confused by the questions that I have to ask him. And so I'll see if I can work through that a little bit better with him. We'll bring him out we'll bring him out. You want to go get him and ask him to return to the main session? And then Attorney Johnson, I guess you are free to go. Thank you for everything today. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Always a pleasure, Your Honor. See everybody tomorrow.
Good to see you. All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
see him up there. He might have. They
I
say.
mean, we still need it.
Yeah, we did. I'll call him back.
He's not out there.
You coming up? He's here.
He didn't come out yet.
Yeah, he's here. There he is. I see him. Okay, you don't
Okay.
have his video on.
Okay, give me just a second. You don't see him out there?
No, no.
Did you call his name?
Yeah, I didn't see him. He might have left.
That's strange.
He's already like,
Oh, you had seen him out there?
yeah, I seen him out there.
Okay. Well, all right. Maybe you went to the restroom or something. Okay. I need the, here we go. Okay, Mr. Trailer, you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so I know that you want to enter a guilty plea with the 3-month delayed sentence. When I take your plea, there are some questions that I have to ask you. And that's because if anyone ever had to look back at this case again, they need to know that no one was doing anything to you outside of what we know in court to make you enter a guilty plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
So when I ask you the questions, that's why I'm asking, and I just need you to say yes or no. If the answer is no, it's fine. If the answer is yes, well, then we'll have to deal with that too, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna recall the matter. Ticket number P1809956, City versus Dantel Trailer. Attorney Barrett, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Dantel Trailer.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Trailer, you are originally charged with open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. The offer is to a 3-month delayed sentence, which means it'll go on your record, but as long as you don't get another ticket like this, it will come off of your record in 3 months if you pay the fine. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today? I'm promising you that you can get the delayed sentence. Did anyone promise you anything else? Anyone else make a promise to you about pleading guilty today?
Besides you, I mean.
Yeah, besides me, did anyone else promise you anything else to get you?
I don't think so. No.
Okay. Did anyone force you or threaten you today?
No force.
Right. Are you pleading guilty to this today because you are guilty of it?
Yes.
Okay. Did Attorney Barrett explain to you that you have the rights to a trial today?
Yes.
And do you know that you won't have those rights if I accept a plea today, because then there will not be a trial?
Yes.
All right. Now I need you to raise your right hand, Mr. Trailer, and I need you to swear to tell the truth. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
Okay. On January 3rd of 2026, were you in a vehicle in the area of 7 Mile and Waltham in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And in that vehicle, did you have an open container of alcohol in the passenger area?
Well, it was a beverage, but it wasn't mine.
Were you operating the vehicle or were you in the passenger seat?
I was in the passenger seat.
Okay. And you're saying that there was a container of alcohol in the passenger area?
There was an empty wine bottle.
Okay. And you're saying that did not belong to you?
No.
It did not belong to you?
No.
All right. Attorney Barrett, sounds like we need to set this matter for trial.
Okay, what's the trial date? Excuse
Okay,
me.
Mr. Trailer, what you're telling me is that you're innocent, and so we're going to set a trial date for you.
Okay.
Do you need a final pretrial, Attorney Barrett, to check in about discovery?
Yeah, so just give me a trial date far enough I can get to discovery judge.
All right, we'll set trial for April 20th at 9:30 a.m. if that works for you.
That's fine. No, Judge, I'm sorry. I do have a trial in person on that day. I'm sorry.
Okay, what's the next available date for you?
How is the following week, Judge, the 27th? Is that okay?
You want to do April 27th?
Yes.
Okay. April 27th, 9:30 a.m. Mr. Trailer,
Yeah.
you got to log back in on April the 27th at 9:30 a.m. I need you to try to be in a place where you have a better signal or come in person, okay?
You said April 27th.
Yep, at 9:30 a.m. for trial.
How can I can come in person or I can do on the phone?
Both. You can zoom in like you did today. Just try to get someplace where you have a little better signal so your video's working better. Or you can come
Okay.
down in person to the courthouse. It's up to you, okay?
All right.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Trailer.
All right.
Bye-bye. Okay. All right, Attorney Barrett, thank you. This is Thelma Parker. Do I have the Raymond? Why is this in here? This isn't right here. You have a number for Attorney Johnson? I gotta find it. Good morning still? Yep, almost. Good morning, Mr. Thomas. How are you? Did your attorney come in and speak to you about a plea?
Somebody called me on the telephone.
And do you remember what he said to you?
No,
Okay, that's okay.
I didn't even know I had an attorney.
That's okay. Just give us just a minute. Oh, wow. Okay, come on. I need somebody to talk to me here. Attorney Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, we found Mr. Thomas, so I'm gonna have him come up. Do you remember what that offer was? Raymond Thomas, he was here in person.
I thought it was a formal hearing.
Yes, and then she said she had, does he wish to go forward with the formal hearing?
No, he wants to, I'm sorry, if I didn't change, he's gonna take the offer.
Can you remind me of what it was, please?
Limited access 6 to 10.
Thank you. Okay, all right. Ticket number X4640760, City versus Raymond Thomas. I've got one count of speeding on the freeway, 21 to 25 over. Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf of with Mr. Thomas, who's appearing there in Zoom. Appearing there in person, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Thomas, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Raymond Thomas.
Thank you. All right. Looks like they're going to reduce this from 21 to 25 over to a 6 to 10 over limited access, which will reduce the number of points that you're getting to, I think, 1 instead of 4. Do you wish to accept that? All right. And you are admitting then to the 6 to 10 over limited access. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. My whole thing was, I was just trying not to get no points. Because when she told me the speed limit was 55, I didn't know.
Oh, you were on the lodge.
Yeah.
Been there, done that, and have the ticket to prove it. Yes, sir. I understand. That 55 miles per hour will get you if you forget. All right. So this is a 6 to 10. It takes it down to 1 point. Okay.
Because that's what when I went to the first judge, he told me 1 point. I said, well, can I get more points?
All right. Well, right now you've got the 6 to 10 limited to 1, but that's quite a bit better than 4. And you like to speed a little bit. You got a couple other speeding tickets, which is why I assume you're getting that 1 point today. Slow it down. All right. All right. So the fine on this one's going to be $135. Okay. If you want to pay it today, wait and get some paperwork from the clerk. If you want time to pay, that's fine too. I'll give you 60 days. And in the 60 days, all I need you to do is one of 2 things. Pay the ticket off in full, or see the cashiers down on the first floor, tell them you need a longer term payment plan and give them whatever down payment they're asking for. If you do one of those 2 things, this all stays in place, okay? Okay, all right. I know. I gotcha.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, sir. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. That does it for today.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right.
Take care, everybody.
Thanks for everything. Bye.
Have a good day, everyone.
You too.
Bye.